Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to check mouse DPI in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. First is, you need to search for mouse settings at the bottom search bar. Please type settings. Once done, click on open to continue. Okay, so once you are being redirected here at the mouse settings, please scroll down and go for additional mouse settings and the related settings. Just click the arrow icon here to enter. Okay, once done, this mouse properties window will open. Here it has these four options. In our case, we'll be going to the pointer options and make sure that under this motion, enhanced pointer precision is unchecked or unmarked. Okay, if in your case it is checked, then unchecked is this and apply, then okay. Okay, after that, close the settings and proceed to your Google Chrome. Just simply enter your Google Chrome or click, then here we need to search for mouse mouse DPI analyzer. Okay, we'll go to the second options. Just click that, and once you're here it has this result. Click that, which contains the DPI analyzer. Make sure that you only visit this website under the same aim. Same aim, different game, mouse sensitivity. Here, just have to simply scroll down. Okay. And under the DPI analyzer, input the target distance into 1 and make the units to convert it into inches. Okay? Once it is being converted to inches, you can see here red icon. Okay? Just drag your mouse here and go for 1 inch only. Okay? Just let me drag it. Okay, let me try again. Target coins. Okay. In my case, it has this actual DPI goes with 475. Let me try again and make sure to only move 1 inch of it. Okay? It goes with 479, 476 or something. Okay? It has this actual counts which is 479. Okay? So those are the steps on how to check the DPI of your mouse. Please let me know what your actual DPI in your mouse is in the comment section. I would love to read it. Okay? So hopefully this video adds your learnings. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day and take care everyone.